In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a lip gloss beauty Shopify website. Whether you're launching a new lip gloss line or revamping your existing store, this guide will walk you through the essentials of setting up your Shopify website. Let's dive right in. First, start by logging into your Shopify account. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, you'll notice a variety of options on the left-hand sidebar. This is your navigation panel, and it's where you'll manage different aspects of your online store. Now, look for the option labeled Online Store in this sidebar. Clicking here will open up more options related to your store's design and functionality. This is where the magic happens in terms of your site's aesthetics and user experience. Next, click on Themes. This will take you to the Theme Management section. Here, you'll see your current theme and can explore other available themes. To find a theme that truly captures the essence of your lip gloss beauty brand, click on Visit Theme Store. This will redirect you to Shopify's extensive theme marketplace. In the theme store, take your time to browse through the collections. Keep in mind that your theme should resonate with your brand's identity. If your lip glosses are all about vibrant colors and fun, you might want a lively and engaging theme. If your brand exudes elegance and luxury, look for something sleek and sophisticated. Once you've found a theme that fits your vision, you can preview it to see how it looks in action. Most Shopify themes are highly customizable, so don't worry if it's not perfect right out of the box. You can tweak colors, fonts, and layouts to better suit your brand. After selecting a theme, add it to your store by clicking Add Theme. Once it's installed, you can start customizing it. This is where you'll get to modify various elements like the header, footer, and main body content. Shopify makes this easy with a user-friendly drag-and-drop editor. As you customize, keep your target audience in mind. What kind of experience do you want your visitors to have? Should the site feel playful or professional? Let these questions guide your design choices. Remember, the key to a successful e-commerce site is not just how it looks, but also how it functions. Make sure your site is easy to navigate and that product pages are clear and informative. Finally, don't forget to preview your site on different devices. Many shoppers will visit your store on their phones, so ensuring it's mobile-friendly is crucial. With everything set up, give your site one last review, and then you're ready to launch. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a stunning lip gloss beauty Shopify website. Good luck, and I hope your store becomes a shining success.